Alright, solo travelers, listen up. If you're planning your first solo adventure, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 10 essential safety tips that'll help you stay safe and make the most of your journey. Solo travel is exciting and liberating, but it's important to be prepared and stay vigilant. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, stay alert and aware. As a solo traveler, it's crucial to stay alert and aware of your surroundings at all times. Be mindful of your environment, the people around you, and any potential risks. Trust your gut feeling if something seems off. For example, if you're walking back to your hotel and notice someone following you, change directions or head to a crowded place. Better safe than sorry. Tip number 2, share your itinerary. Always let someone know your travel plans. Share your itinerary with a trusted friend or family member. This way, someone knows where you are and can reach out if they don't hear from you. If you're in a remote area with poor cell service, check in whenever you can. It gives you peace of mind and keeps others in the loop. Tip number 3, avoid flashing valuables. Keep your valuables out of sight and avoid flaunting expensive items like jewelry or electronics. For instance, instead of carrying a flashy camera around your neck, use a discreet, secure bag. This reduces the risk of theft and keeps you under the radar. Tip number 4, learn basic phrases. Knowing a few basic phrases in the local language can be incredibly helpful in emergencies or when asking for directions. Imagine needing help but not speaking the language. A simple help or where is Nai can make a huge difference. Tip number 5, use reliable transportation. Always opt for reputable transportation services. For instance, use registered taxis or ride-sharing apps instead of hailing a cab off the street. This ensures you're in safe hands and reduces the risk of getting scammed or worse. Tip number 6, trust your instincts. Your intuition is a powerful tool. If something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Whether it's avoiding a sketchy street or declining an invite from a stranger, always trust your gut. Tip number 7, keep copies of important documents. Make digital and physical copies of important documents like your passport, Idaho, and travel insurance. For example, in case of loss or theft, having copies can expedite replacements and help you prove your identity. Tip number 8, stay connected. Ensure you have a reliable way to stay connected. This could be an international phone plan or a local SIM card. Being able to contact someone in emergencies is vital. Tip number 9, blend in. Try to blend in with the locals to avoid drawing unwanted attention. Dress modestly and observe local customs. This shows respect and helps you navigate new environments more comfortably. Tip number 10, know emergency numbers. Familiarize yourself with local emergency numbers. In many countries, it's not always 911. Knowing the right number can be a lifesaver in critical situations. Alright, to recap, stay alert, share your plans, keep valuables out of sight, learn basic phrases, use reliable transport, trust your instincts, keep document copies, stay connected, blend in, and know emergency numbers. Solo travel can be an incredibly rewarding experience if you take the necessary precautions. Stay safe out there and happy travels. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel advice. Remember, your safety comes first. Embrace the adventure, but always be prepared. Catch you in the next video.